Hi, Scott Stripling, Wednesday of week 3. I have our awesome group of Bible Seminary students here. We're missing Paul Cabor today, and who else? That's it, okay. We have alumni on site also, but look at this great group of TBS students that I want to introduce to you. We're starting with...
I am Allison Taylor. I'm down in West Sifting, and I love being here at Shiloh. It's beautiful. Got a great sunrise for you guys.
Have you found anything cool?
Lots of glass and bones.
Okay, going into the glass and bone business.
And beets.
I'm Tommy Chamberlain. I'm a prosecuting attorney, got a sore throat, and I'm the square supervisor up in AL 33. I love teaching biblical history here at Shiloh and just getting to work with all these awesome people.
I'm Nikki Lanehart. I'm a wife and mother from Kentucky, and I am in Tommy Square, AL 33, having a great time here at Shiloh.
Hi, I'm Janet Fisher. I'm from California, and I'm working with Kevin Larson in the Yellow Submarine Square. And we think we got a pottery shop because we're finding all kinds of pots.
Hi, my name's Emma Clodfelder. I'm from Castle Rock, Colorado. I'm a square supervisor at AL 30, and I love scarabs.
Hi, I'm Dan Lawless. I'm working in the Favisa area, and I love seeing biblical history come to life.
Hi, I'm Ryan Wood. I'm Emma's assistant, and I love finding walls.
Hi, I'm Brittany Young. I was in Kevin Square. Now I'm down in Wet Sifting, and I just love the suspense of never knowing what anyone's going to find that day.
Hi, I'm Nathan Burris. I'm a missionary in Indonesia. I'm working in the Favisa with Dan as well. And I love working with all these great friends here in Shiloh.
I am Rebecca Yee. I'm a wife and mother back home, and here I'm an archaeologist, and I'm so excited to find stuff here.
Hi, I'm Carol Scott, and I'm an engineer back home. Here I am working in the gate at Shiloh, and right now I'm working on excavating a big bone. Woo-hoo!
Oh, that's good. So somebody's watching, they're thinking about going to the Bible seminary and like, can I actually become an archaeologist if I do that? What do you have to say?
Yes.
I mean, this
Come have
rocks.
fun.
Come
You
have
can
fun.
bring your kids. Yeah. And get dirty. Hey,
So-
where else do adults get to play in the dirt?
That's right. We're putting you back in your hole in a minute. So, undergrad, where'd you guys go to undergrad? Baylor, Colorado Christian, where else?
UT,
SFA.
Eternity Bible
UT,
College.
Lone Star,
SFA,
Texas A&M.
Texas A&M. All right, Longhorns, good.
University of Pikeville.
Anything else?
Air Force Academy.
Air Force Academy. So all kinds of undergrad backgrounds. You come together at the Bible Seminary. We train you in theology and archaeology, and then this is the field school. So that's our story. We're sticking to it. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.